Hey guys, Cash here again with PICO Builders and Remodelers. We're back here on that job where we were pouring concrete the other day. We redid an entire pool house and we're coming back with a 2-story pool house and guest house. Instead of going with an entirely new property with a new pool house, they decided, hey, let's just do a facelift on what we have here. We've had to fight this narrow driveway all the way through. We've had to fight a lot of different things with utilities going under and over and every place you can imagine. As you can see, the guys are getting it framed up behind us. Let's go check it out and see what they're doing. Next time you're out, we'll be with the project manager on this job, Colby. He's gonna walk us through the specifics of everything we've had to go through on this job. And the next time, there'll be 2 stories framed up. So look forward to that, guys. And remember, for all of your home remodel and renovation needs, choose PICO Builders and Remodelers.